Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix headrests on a Dodge Caravan. First, identify the specific problem with your headrest, whether it's stuck, loose, or deployed. Next, gather the right tools, which often include a small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool. Understanding how the headrest locks into place is key to a successful repair. Always prioritize safety by moving the seat back and ensuring clear access before you begin. To diagnose the problem, carefully examine the headrest posts for any visible bends or damage. Test the release button. If it feels sticky or doesn't engage, that's a clue. Sometimes, debris can get lodged in the post holes, preventing smooth movement. Try to move the headrest up and down to feel for any resistance or unusual sounds, which can help pinpoint the exact issue. For common issues, you can often lubricate a sticky release button to restore its function. If a headrest post is only slightly bent, gentle pressure might straighten it. Use a small tool to clear any obstructions from the sleeves where the posts slide. For more severe damage, like a deployed active headrest, replacement of the entire unit might be necessary, as these often cannot be reset. Once repairs are made, carefully align the headrest posts with their respective holes in the seat. Push the headrest down firmly until you hear or feel it lock securely into place. It's crucial to verify that the headrest is attached safely and cannot be easily pulled out. Finally, adjust the headrest to a comfortable and safe height for the occupant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.